guys, good morning. So I just woke up a few minutes ago and I did my freshen up already. Now I'm about to clean the whole house, starting right from my behind, which is my bed, and it's very messy right now. And today's video is gonna be a day in my life. So keep watching. First of all, I just thought of cleaning my bed, but then I realized I haven't changed my bed sheet since last 4 days, so I did it. I didn't change my bed sheet because I was very lazy to wash, but today I have to do it, so let's go and wash. I will just soak this here for a while and wash it later. Till then, I'll go and do my other works. It's very hot in here these days, almost like a summer. You might be wondering why am I wearing a socks, but I have a reason for that.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to.
Today is such a happy day for me because I just received my parcel from Amazon, so let's unbox it together. Let's check our first item. It's a waxing strips from Veet. Earlier I was using the cream version, the hair removal cream from Veet, but that gave me some kind of redness and itchiness which is very disturbing, and it left my underarms a bit more darker than it actually was. And I even asked some of my friends. It's not only me, even my friends are going through the same thing. So first of all, we have this. Let's check. It's from Maybelline New York. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so it's a combo of foundation and a compact. So let's check what we have next. Okay, so we have a Lakme night cream here. And comes this shampoo, Tresemme conditioner. That's all for today. So these are the items. I'll just keep it here. It's time for cooking now. So today I'm cooking pork with akhani, bamboo shoot, tomatoes, and of course a lot of chilies. So this is my go-to-go style of cooking, which is very tasty, easy and simple. You all must try it for sure. You just wash your meat and put all the ingredients together along with water, and after 4 to 5 whistles, you will add your ginger garlic paste and it's done. I have a surprise for you all. Wanna see? Meet my cutie. Hi cutie. Hi cutie. Cucu. Cucu. Nào là rồi. Enchante. Lawang tha. Oi, sleepy head. Sleepy head. Why you so cute? Here I am trying to study because my exam is approaching very soon, so wish me luck guys. You guys might not know I'm very interested in gardening, especially when it comes to succulent. It's just my favorite. Pinky, my pretty Pinky. Call a handshake. Good girl, Mati. Handshake pinay ta. Oh, okay, go ahead. Kissy. So I just came back from market and I got these snacks, and like I actually went to the market for these books. These are the books I have to study. I can't stop myself from eating. I have this biscuit or whatever it is. So, this is my second packet.